Hello everyone, how are you? Again, welcome to my class with a new topic. So, let's start. So, today we are going to learn about HCF and LCM. In the previous chapter, you have already learned about factors and multiples. You are also familiar with common factors, common multiples. So in this chapter you will learn about the highest common factor, that is HCF, and the lowest common multiple, that is LCM of the numbers. So highest common factor, that means HCF. Highest common factor means HCF. Next, lowest common multiple, that means LCM. Highest common factor, that is HCF, of two or more numbers is the largest number that can divide the numbers without keeping any remainder. And HCF can be done by in various processes. I have given 3 processes here. So let's start. You can see in the first process HCF by listing out the factor. Find out the HCF of 24 and 36. So at first we have to write all the factors of 24 and factors of 36. We have listed. Then you can see the highest common factor is 12. That means what we got the factors, among them 12 is the highest. Next process given HCF using prime factorization. You already familiar with prime factorization, so we have to do it separately for the 24 and 36. Then again we will list out all the factors. Then we will take the common factors. We will take all the common factors that you can see here. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, that is also 12. And one more process given, HCF using repeated division. You are also familiar with that. Here also we have to do the repeated division. So what we get, the left side, that will be the HCF that you have to multiply. That means 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, that is 12. Do one thing, pause the video and do the same question in your copy. Solve by yourself. Then you will get the concept. In the next picture, we will do both LCM and HCF for the same numbers. So what is the question? Find the HCF and LCM of 24 and 36. So again you have to do the prime factorization. Then we will find out the common factors of 24 and 36. As you previously done that HCF will be 12. For HCF, you are taking only the common factors, but for LCM, you have to take all the factors, common factors as well as the remaining factors. Then you will get that LCM. So here you can see the LCM will be 72. After multiplying common factors and other factors, you will get 72 as LCM of 24 and 36. Let's take another example. Here told to do the LCM of 18 and 30. So we will do the repeated division, and what we will get, 2, 3 as common factors and 3, 5 is the extra. So we have to multiply all the factors, then we will get 90 as answer. Let's take another example. Here told find the highest number, that is the factor of 60 and 72, that is HCF. So again we have listed all the factors of 60 and 70. Then we have found that common factors, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, that is 12, and again told with the same number to do the LCM. So again we list it out and we got already the common factors as well as the others factor you have to multiply. After multiplying the common factor and the other factor, you will get that LCM 360. 360 will be the LCM of 60 and 72. And some rules you need to keep in mind. Those are, if the HCF of two numbers is 1, then the numbers are called coprime numbers. Next one. The HCF is always smaller than or equal to the smaller number. And for LCM, LCM equals to product of common factors and product of factors that are not common. Yes. I hope this video will help you to solve the problems of HCF and LCM. Thank you for watching.